October is the month to not only acknowledge domestic violence survivors, but also be a voice for the voiceless. This year especially is important because, according to the Women's Shelter here in Rochester, there's been a sharp increase in the severity of cases. Our Carly Petra spoke with professionals who deal with domestic violence on a daily basis to get a better understanding of the abuse.
We saw a sharp increase in the severity of abuse.
Most of us felt the isolation the pandemic has brought on, especially at the height of the shutdown.
We saw an increase to our hotline for just questions about resources, in addition to assisting with the filing of orders of protection and harassment orders. If individuals were already in a violent relationship or situation, it just exacerbated that because of the isolation. So whereas someone may have been able to leave for a few hours a day and go maybe to a local organization, if they experienced a shutdown, they could no longer lean on that particular organization.
The initial signs you or someone you care about may be in an abusive relationship are subtle.
Isolation, issues with power and control. If their significant other feels as though they need to control them, or they feel as though they're being controlled, their choices are no longer their own.
Phone tracking is also a common sign. The Women's Shelter says these signs could quickly escalate. Often, a victim of domestic violence must figure out the safest time to leave the relationship.
First step would definitely be reaching out to a domestic violence program, calling a crisis hotline, and just asking them and finding out, what can I do? How can you help me?
It's best to contact 911 in the heat of a violent situation.
Our first priority, like I've said, is just making sure things are safe, that nobody's injured, but then assessing things and taking time to listen to what people say, those that are involved, what they have to say. It's a matter of sometimes just learn to be patient, being calm, being compassionate, and trying to understand and not just automatically go to a call thinking what's going on ahead of time.
Carly Petra, Fox 47 News.
According to the Women's Shelter, 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men experience some type of domestic violence in their life. This is why the Women's Shelter provides services to any adult and their family experiencing domestic violence. If you or a loved one needs immediate assistance, please call the number on your screen, the crisis line at 507-285-1010. Representatives are available to take your call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.